It feels really crazy to hear when you talk about operating computer with your smartphone in 5 seconds. So first of all, we have to move to our browser. No matter what browser you're using, I'm using Brave browser. So go to the URL bar and type AnyDesk. It's ANYDESK. After pressing enter, you can see the official link of anydesk.com. Click into this link and a red download button will appear. Just press that button and your download will start. Here I'm using a download manager. Don't worry about it, it's just nothing for you. After downloading, move to your download folder and open this AnyDesk file. Now you can see it's connecting to their server. Here we can see a few digits saying that it's your address. You just have to put it in your smartphone. Now you can see my smartphone screen and I'm going to download AnyDesk app from the Play Store. So after opening this app, we have to skip all these things. These are really not necessary. And now you have to put the number over here, what we have seen in our desktop screen. After putting those digits, you can see a permission tab will appear in your desktop screen. Just accept it and now you can use your computer with your smartphone. Don't forget to like this video and please do subscribe for more videos. I'm Naim Islam and you are watching Everyday Click.